So, have you ever felt the urge to clean out your ears with a cotton swab? Well, you might want to rethink that. Turns out, earwax isn't just some gross gunk you need to get rid of. It actually plays a crucial role in keeping your ears healthy. First off, earwax, also known as cerumen, isn't even wax. It's a mix of secretions from glands in your ear canal, along with dead skin cells and tiny particles of dust and debris. It's your body's natural way of protecting your ears from bacteria, dirt, and even small insects that might wander in. Basically, it's your ear's built-in security system. Now, here's the part that might surprise you. Removing earwax too aggressively can actually make things worse. Your ears are self-cleaning. That's right, your body naturally pushes old earwax out on its own. When you talk, chew, or move your jaw, the wax slowly makes its way to the opening of your ear canal, where it dries up and falls out. No cotton swabs needed. But what happens when you use those cotton swabs? Instead of getting wax out, you're likely just pushing it deeper into your ear, leading to blockages. That can cause discomfort, hearing loss, dizziness, and even ear infections. In severe cases, you could even damage your eardrum. Speaking of ear infections, earwax has antibacterial and antifungal properties that help keep harmful microbes at bay. Removing too much of it can leave your ears vulnerable to infections, making them dry, itchy, and more prone to irritation. Now, you might be wondering, what if my ears produce too much wax? While most people don't need to do anything, some individuals do experience excessive buildup. In that case, doctors recommend using a few drops of mineral oil, baby oil, or hydrogen peroxide mixed with water to soften the wax. But if you're dealing with a serious blockage, it's best to see a professional rather than trying to dig it out yourself. So, next time you feel the urge to grab a cotton swab, remember this. Earwax is your friend, not your enemy. It's there for a reason, and your ears know exactly what they're doing. That's it for today. If you found this info useful, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more fascinating health facts. Stay tuned and stay healthy.